What will I get under the EduRev Infinity package for UPSC? You get a total of 90 plus courses in EduRev Infinity, which includes 3000 plus notes, videos and tests. Under this package, you get subject-wise courses for History, Geography, Indian Polity, Economics, Science and Technology, and others. These courses includes topic and chapter-wise notes, videos and tests, along with summaries and MCQ tests of famous books like Lakshmikant, Nitin Singhania, Spectrum, Shankar IAS, GC Leong, Ramesh Singh and others. And not just this, you also get UPSC Prelims mock test series and past year papers. The study package also includes crash course, CSAT and mains answer writing courses daily, weekly and monthly current affairs, old and new NCERTs along with text and video summaries and much more. So go on and join EduRev Infinity today at just 83 rupees per month and start your journey to becoming an IAS officer.